I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling the Xbox Game Bar and confirming system prerequisites. Windows 11 up to date and Game Bar turned on. Open Settings, go to Gaming, and toggle Xbox Game Bar. Next, press Windows plus G to open the overlay so you can access the recorder immediately. Make sure your microphone and system audio are configured in the Audio widget. This prevents silent captures. Once done, select the Capture widget and press the Record button to start a test clip so you confirm levels and folder location. Now fine-tune capture details so your recordings look and perform as intended. In Game Bar settings, pick quality and frame rate, 30 or 60 FPS, and set the capture resolution. Higher values increase file size. If you want instant captures, enable background recording and choose a max recording length. You should also enable game mode to prioritize performance and reduce frame drops while recording. Use the widget controls for microphone toggle and start/stop shortcuts. Custom shortcuts speed up the workflow and avoid interrupting gameplay. To finish, stop the recording with the overlay button or your shortcut. Windows saves files to videos /captures by default. Once saved, open the clip in Photos or the Xbox app to trim, rename, or share directly to social platforms. If you experience issues, first verify microphone and Game Bar permissions in privacy settings and restart the Game Bar process. If recordings are missing or corrupted, check disk space and capture length limits. Then test with a short clip to confirm the problem is resolved before a full session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.